Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to pause Windows 11 update in 2025. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from your laptop or desktop, just go to Start menu in Windows 11 or 10 and just go to Settings option. Once you click a Settings option, there will be plenty of settings will be available in Windows 11 and 10. So now the time to pause the Windows update. There will be a Windows update in the home screen itself. Otherwise, just in your left hand side corner, you will find a Windows update. Just hit the button, automatically it will move into Windows update. So your required restart will be there. So because your Windows updates is up to date at regular basis, so totally 2025 onwards there is a pending updates are there. So how to pause this one? Because of this, I cannot able to move forward to work for my any type of software. So I just want to pause this update so that I can able to work with the free in the applications, though it will take my system all kind of details. So installing 1%, 2% will be there. So how to pause this one? There will be a pause updates will be there. There will be a pause for a week, and you can just click, means automatically pausing the updates will be automatically switch on over there. So you can pause up to 1 week. After that you can able to understand, and if you have a time you can update your Windows update. So 2025 there is a plenty of updates where Windows as updating. So if you want, you can update. Otherwise, just pause this one to do your entire work. Then you can, if you have a time, you can update all the things. So now the pausing is happening over here. So now I just want to close this one. Again, I just go to same Windows in a settings options, settings, Windows updates. So automatically my updates will be paused in a few seconds. So this is a simple and easiest step. So if you have a time, you can update your Windows. Otherwise, just pause this one into a time being of week. So just click here, automatically the pausing updates, it's updating. So if you see after 2 to 3 minutes, automatically your updates will be paused. So use this option to pause your Windows update. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment box. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.